I should stay hidden here. Inariyama camp. This must be where Koshiro was stationed under Genzaburo. That tree could be where Koshiro buried his carvings.
How's got you?
right to the end.
Found it! This will cheer up Koshiro.
I saw movement. This could be trouble. I will snap your neck.
You found my carvings! Incredible! Just holding this box, it's like a piece of my heart returning to me. Once again, I find myself laid bare before you, Miss Naoe, despite my best attempts.
I like when you share your feelings with me. It makes me feel close to you.
Your words touch me, Miss Naoe.
I hope you will start woodworking again. Your eyes light up when you speak of it.
I admit, it's almost enough to make me forget the pain of my injuries. Would you join me for a stroll? I would like to introduce you to a few of my friends.
I enjoy our time together. And I'd like to meet your friends, too.
I was hoping you would say that. Let's go. These are maple trees. Beautiful like grain. Great for detail work like toy making. But they require a sharp blade.
I should have guessed your friends would be the tall, silent type. And that's the wood you use to carve swords for the children?
Yes. Its hardness is perfect for sword grips and guards, as well as toy katana.
Strength isn't everything. We don't admire the sakura for its strength.
Sakura only lasts a moment. They leave nothing behind when they are gone.
And that makes them less worthy to you?
I suppose trees do not care what shape the artisan sees them in. just to be alive is enough.
Or creating beauty is a great and worthy purpose for the artisan and the tree.
To be a tree, waiting for the artisan to bestow shape and purpose with the push of a chisel. But what of my shape and purpose? How can I know it is right?
Your heart is telling you to choose woodworking. Why won't you listen to it?
If I listened to my heart, it would tell me to choose you, Miss Naoe. Thank you for understanding me better than I do myself.
Do you have to leave? You could stay with Yasuke and me. Hone your skills.
If I am to sprout new leaves, I must first endeavor to cast new roots. My entire life has been defined by duty. I think you, of all people, know what that's like. That is why I addressed my farewell letter to you.
I understand. I'll miss you, you know.
I must find myself. But these moments with you, they have helped.
You have much to look forward to, Koshiro.
I do? Like what?
Surely I'm not the only one who enjoys our time together.
That would be a fair assumption, Miss Naoe. I carved this long ago, as practice. I cut at it for hours to smooth it without losing the richness of the grain. It is said that presenting a woman with a hairpin is a show of fondness and affection.
It's lovely.
Your hair, perhaps it's too short for this style of hairpin.
Then I'll keep it close to my heart until it grows.
You've caught me off guard.
You didn't stand a chance.
No, I never did. I will see you around, Miss Naoe.